Spring awakens on the Tartu highway. Morning moves across the fields. Cars keep rolling in. People gather at the marketplace at Tikupoiss. The day begins.
The fair is coming alive.
A drone sees everything from above.
Crowds arriving from every town.
The Tartu highway stretches on like a river through the land of Estonia. The smell of grilling in the morning air blends softly with the springtime wind. The fair is slowly waking up.
Market tables shining in different colors.
Smiles appear on every face.
Everybody knows why they came here.
Some arrived to spend some money.
Others came to feel the atmosphere,
to see the people and the movement,
and welcome springtime once again.
Tikupoiss and spring begins.
The drone is watching from the sky above.
Everyone
Who gathers here today will take these memories back home.
Tikupoiss
And spring fair, people moving everywhere around.
everyone will find something here.
To leave with joy inside their hearts. Children laughing near the mini zoo. There is something here for them as well.
Every step and every joyful sound.
Little feet are jumping on trampolines,
The wind moves across Imavir.
and the daylight keeps growing stronger.
Someone waves up to the camera.
Someone simply enjoys the moment,
The drone keeps rising higher now,
showing everything from up above.
capturing the fairground energy.
Where Tikupoiss spring begins.
Tikupoiss
And spring begins. The drone is watching from the sky above.
everyone
Who gathers here today will take these memories back home.
Tikupoiss
And spring fair, people moving everywhere around.
everyone
Will find something here to leave with joy inside their hearts.
And when evening slowly comes, the memories remain inside the stay.
When the drone descends at last,
It still holds every moment close.
all the many people here,
Even though